as promised, coming out to put the RX8 motor in to piss off all the haters.
Oops.
But ITBs are off. They'll probably go on the convertible because they're not going to be needed here anymore. But we're about 10 minutes in. We get the manifold off, alternator off, and we'll have this thing pulled out. That's what's nice about standalone. So, yeah, not much left to do.
I think just engine mounts and
damn squirrels. So engine mounts, bell housing bolts, and get the starter off, and this thing is out other than draining the fluids. We'll try to do some action shots with this one because we're horrible with it. Yeah, so we're about 10 minutes in. We got two transmission bolts left and one motor mount, and unhook these coolant lines and pull this alternator off, and we're out. So yeah, beat our record.
Booyah.
All right, we're staring in the sun, I can tell, but we're out. We just got to stop being lazy and go get the engine hoist and pull it out the rest of the way. Yeah, we're definitely out.
My pinky broke it loose.
Yeah, his pinky broke it loose. So, I don't know. We got 20 minutes in, half an hour, draining fluids.
Dicking around.
Getting them all over the under tray. Yeah. But this is out. MSP motors going together and going in. And then everybody can hate. Okay, we're on lazy. Engine crane's hooked up. Pick this up with a screwdriver.
Doesn't this have the
Want to slide that off the trans?
Action shot.
Action shot.
Oh! He shoots, he scores. It's out.
Well, we gotta get over the radiator.
Well, half out.
Be nice to know where this jack handle went.
I'll blame it on Jordan.
Yeah, why not?
Alright, Hood.
Alright, I gotta put the phone down. We don't have enough. There it is. Out. We got stuff living in our transmission too. It only sat for a little while. So let's see, we'll drop the car now. We'll probably fall. Action shots, trying to hold the camera and doing this on a completely unlevel surface.
This is New York for you.
Yeah, you got it.
And then the car rolls back into...
And it's done. So now we're off to the other engine. The engine mounts are already made. If you watched any videos, the turbo manifold's made. All that good stuff. Just gotta swap the clutch over or put turbo 2 transmission in it, one or the other here. We do got to get something to prop this transmission up because we're stretching that hose out pretty good. But other than that, we're gonna vacuum and clean some stuff out of this, and that's where we're at the second. Now we're gonna go probably tear this down for the rotating assembly to put in the other motor, because this is all RX8 rotating assembly in this motor. So that's where we're at with this. Yo. All right, so we made it inside with the engine out of the FC. It's in good shape for the most part, but yeah, everybody's probably gonna get very upset. So yeah, that's out now, and what is going in it, excuse the disaster, because I've been moving stuff around, cleaning up down here, and we're in the dark. So here it is. You've probably seen it in some of the past videos. The internals out of that are going in this MSP 4-port Those are RX8 rotors in that engine anyways, E-shaft and all that. So I said I'd get to this. Yeah, this is just a Crown Vic throttle body. Bolts right up, absolutely zero issues. Hook your throttle cable here. I just need to make a little bracket off of here. And then I am going to be running these. So with the bridge port, this closes off the outside ports. So under idle and anything under 3,000 RPM or wherever I choose to open and close this, it's going to run like a stock engine. It's not going to sit there and bap, bap, bap and be set at 1,500 RPM idle. I'll be able to idle this thing down. It'll act very tame for the most part while it's on idle or low RPM. But yeah, the mounts are made for this and everything else. So in the next video, we're probably going to tear down the other motor and slap the internals right back into this, because this is all ported ready to go, and slam it together. So that's where we're at with the FC right now, other than I did blow a lot of the plastic dip off of it and stuff like that. So yeah, probably gonna clean it up a little bit, change the bumper on it, little few odds and ends that needed to be addressed from before. But yeah, so that's out and ready to be tore down and internal slapped into the other motor. This I'm probably going to set a set of S4 rotors back in it, which will actually help it seal up because of the step wear on the irons. So that was more of the issue with this motor, was the step wear on the irons, I believe. Seeing how the side seals on the RX8 rotors are out just slightly enough to make them ride up and lose a little bit of compression on cranking. So we'll probably slam that back together and boost this. But this does have a very, very, very large bridge port in it. So, well, till the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.